Most American Autowire Classic Update and Universal kits include a mate for the 3 7/8 inch GM steering column connector used from 1969 to 1974. This connector is a popular choice for aftermarket columns, but kit installers can still easily keep their stock column in their vehicle by using the mating connector and terminal set supplied with their kit. Each vehicle-specific Classic Update kit includes instructions to guide you through the process of switching to the 3 7/8 inch part when needed. This connection method is generally used as a standard but does change from kit to kit, so be sure to check your instructions before buying parts or making any permanent changes. If your connector does not directly match what's used in a Classic Update kit, simply cut the wires at the base of the stock connector, strip a small section of insulation to prep the wires for new terminals, and crimp on the provided PACON terminals. Once this is complete, reference your Classic Update kit instructions for the correct indexing of the new 3 7/8 inch connector and plug in the wires as directed. Please note, not all cavities of every connector will be filled, and the design of the turn signal switch side of the connector means it is longer than the connector used on the dash side. This was by design and will not prevent the connectors from locking in place correctly. In addition to following us on YouTube, please check us out on Facebook, CarBuff Network, Instagram, and AmericanAutowire.com.